What's up guys? How are? Hope everyone is doing great and negative. Okay, here at Pooja's place to pick up finally Pooja and Naisha after almost 25 days. She said 1 week and she went for almost 1 month, dude. Let's go get my babies.
Look at my phone.
Seriously?
No, it's in the
Hey,
bag.
kaisa mast man pakad. The usual thing, she's feeling pukish. So we stop by the side and she's doing this. Hey, drive karo. Drive. Are you a biker or a car driver?
She just likes speed. चलो नाइशु बस.
चलो if you drive like ना सबको मार के जाना पड़ता है.
Naishu, calm, baby.
Okay.
Naishu, we are getting glares from people on the street. Let's go back. Come. Cutie. Oh, and she's kissing that.
Kissing किया.
Oh.
You like the car? Finally. Okay, very
Okay,
good.
bus
Very
come.
good.
Bus come. Enough.
Per day, I finish like almost 4 of these jugs. Hydrating is very important. Hydrating your skin from the outside is as important as hydrating from within. You know, in summers, just like our body needs hydration so that it feels refreshed. Same thing with your skin. You need to hydrate it so that you get that nice refreshing feeling and you get that healthy glow back. Mama Earth's Ultra Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer. It will not only hydrate your skin while retaining the right pH level. Basically, these act as a proper refreshment drink for your skin. All the lotions that I've used before, what I hate about them is they are like really sticky, oily, greasy. With these, from the name you can see that these are ultra light gels. We have 2 variants, as you can see, vitamin C and the Upton variant. Along with fighting sun damage and providing radiance, vitamin C also helps smoothing and firming your skin. It encourages new cell regeneration, generally brightens up and evens out the skin tone. Also, it is infused with aloe vera water, a favorite among skincare enthusiasts. It's also infused with one more beautiful ingredient, shea butter. It's also rich in fatty acids. It's got vitamin A and E. It's got niacinamide. Main job of this is to reduce the enlarged pores. And the main thing I love is the ultralight consistency and the way it gets quickly absorbed. The best part is it can be used both on your body and your face. So every time you buy from them, they're going to link your order on their website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, their aim is to plant at least 1 million trees. Also, Mama Earth has launched their new app. I'll link the iOS and Android app in the description. App users get early access to sales and hence extra discounts. As you guys know, all Mama Earth products are made of natural ingredients. There are no harmful chemicals in it. Don't forget to use my coupon code SRIMAN2021 and you can get flat 20% off at Mama Earth. All the products are available on Mama Earth, Amazon and Flipkart. Abhi quickly, let me go take a shower. We have something very next level important to do, and do not forget to continue hydrating. Exactly 80.5, that is my weight as of today. My strict diet and workout schedule has been going for a toss. From the time I went to Dehradun, the downfall started. So before going to Dehradun, I took my weight. That early morning, I was around 73.75 kilos. 73, now 80 is like 7 kilos up. Once again, I'm into this proper next level, crazy, strict transformation. And the reason I'm telling you this on camera is so that I follow it. Today, 80.5. Every vlog, I'm gonna update my weight quickly. This is a promise I'm making to myself. So yes, starting today properly, Sriman Kotaru style mein properly, we're gonna get back to the diet and you're gonna see the transformation once again. In case you guys are also with me in this, start today. There's no tomorrow, Monday, say, don't keep all this in your head. Just start it now, from today. So that is one thing. As usual, Sriman Kotaru channel mein one more important thing we have to tell is the weather forecast. Looks nice, mostly clear skies. It is very hot outside, but you people gonna get excited. Triumph Tiger, hamara beautiful, hamara dear dark horse ko, we're gonna take it out. But that's a good news. We'll be taking it out, but then the sad news is I'll be taking the Clearwater lights out of that bike and I'll be shifting it to the BMW, because obviously BMW is gonna be our primary tourer from now onwards. I don't want to spend another 1 lakh just for lights for the BMW. Feeling good to take the Tiger out after a long time. Oh, nice. This is the PPF kit for the BMW. I was wondering what is this masala dosa package. Hello, we'll have to fix this later because already we have PPF on the BMW. No, I did not forget the Street Twin. Yes, I have plans for putting some cosmetic accessories on the Street Twin, LED lights and that ugly looking rear view mirrors. As you can see, Tiger is looking very clean and shiny. Reason is I actually polished it recently. I missed my cardio one day, so I thought let's clean the bike and the car. Will the bike start? Obviously it will start because I keep starting it every 1 week at least to keep the bike running. See that? Feels very different to sit on the bike for sure. Oh yes, definitely feels very different to sit on the bike, yeah. It's just so low and nice. Why am I talking as if I'm riding the Tiger for the first time? So used to this bike. It feels so good, yeah. It feels like home. Did you hear that? Horn works, bro. Oh yes, Tiger Bay horn will definitely work when I'm riding in the city. But when I plan to go on a long tour, it will stop working. You know, when I ride the BMW, I mean, I didn't ride it much. Hardly 147 kilometers done, which is like a shame to that bike. But this week onwards, I'm planning to take it out. I wanted to finish 1,000 kilometers so that I can finish the first service. Because we might travel soon. Things are getting better in India, and if there are no restrictions across other states, we are planning to travel. I don't know who all, but me to pakka. GSA has to go out for sure. It's gonna be a super long ride. If the restrictions are there in other states and we can just cross, say, Telangana, then maybe we'll do something like 700-800 kilometers of a ride. But if all the restrictions in the country are relaxed, then we are gonna hit secret. Right now time is 10:20, which is the reason traffic is not that much. But usually if you come around 8 o'clock in the morning, that's like a proper peak hour these days. 10:20 in the morning, it's already 33 degrees, which is a lot, dude. When I ride this bike, I really wanted to keep it, you know. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the bike. And there's like a ton of memories, but let's not get there now. I already decided we'll sell it, so we'll sell it. Because I have work, I'm taking it out. Otherwise, definitely it's gonna rust at home, especially after starting to take the BMW out. This is the wrong thing. Hyderabad style, you need to ride. If you ride like this, you'll be stuck behind cars. You need to filter out a little bit, but consciously and responsibly. Don't be like a mad person zipping through, hitting people. Be conscious, be calculated, and zip through. Don't ride like a hooligan. Chalo, traffic shuru just now. Oh yeah, Sriman said something. Uska opposite hona hai. You know, whenever I ride the Tiger, I feel Tiger is much easier to maneuver. And whenever I ride the BMW, I feel BMW is much easier. Oh, it's getting hot, bro. 35.5 degrees. Seriously? It's June. Shouldn't be that much. No, it's okay. Please be clear. Please be hot. No problem. Now don't rain. I don't even have any raincoat or rain gear. Even if I get wet, no problem. My gear shouldn't get wet. My camera is lying in my bag. ఈ అంకుల్ చూడు, అవార్డు కాదు నీకు, ఆస్కర్ కాదు, ఇంకా దాన్ని మించింది ఏమన్నా ఇచ్చేసేయాలి. ఇమ్మీడియట్గా పిలిచి ఇచ్చేసేయండి. యాక్చువల్లీ I called the transfer for an appointment, but they've been very busy today. Tomorrow I am busy at home, so I thought I'll just get this done here. By the way, I forgot my mask. That is the reason I'm looking like a dacoit. I didn't forget my mask. I think I left it somewhere. I can't find it. One credit I want to give to Triumph people. The way they pack the clear water lights, it's like permanent. It seems it's gonna take 1 hour to disassemble the clear waters. Literally from the engine के नीचे से, chassis के नीचे से, they properly packed it. It's been so long, Charan, doing this. Coming to Dynamic Riders, then going to BMW showroom now.
Candy store.
Our candy store.
Candy line. ఏదో ఒకటి ఎప్పుడు కొంటాము, ఎవరొకరు ఏదో ఒకటి కొంటారు. ఇప్పుడు చైతన్య కొన్నాడు.
What did you buy?
Horn.
Oh, we are not buying anything. I'm just getting the clear waters disassembled.
నీ బండ్లకి యాక్సెసరీస్ అయిపోయినాయా?
My bike is full on accessorized now. I just need to go for the ride. One thing, abhi BMW showroom I need to take those lock cylinders. Nikhil sent it, almost everything except for one box ka lock cylinders. I think it's lost in shipping. That's what he's also thinking. Sharan, what is the ride plan? Some very fancy ride plans are going on. Most probably month end if everything is fine. Fingers triple crossed. हमारा Triumph showroom, हमारा old घर, but dear to heart. अरे nice color. కొత్త స్పీడ్ ట్విన్ ఉంది. స్పీడ్ ట్విన్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ ఆఫ్ రోడింగ్ ఈవెంట్ చేశారు. రోడ్ ఇట్లుంది.
Scrape it, no? These days.
Oh, Chaitanya's first service, it seems. Good boy, 980 kilometers done, it seems. Mask enter.
What's up, buddy?
Mask enter.
Priceless ra. Na mask ra. Priceless.
Because I was wearing a kerchief, he said, "How much is your mask? Very cheap kerchief you're wearing." We got a BMW mask now.
Gift.
It's a gift by BMW. Thank you, BMW. Nikhil, locks. want it. But yes, we are sorted. Chaitanya, we are sorted with all the luggage, all the locks, everything with the bike. But when are we gonna ride, bro? He will come if we are doing a small trip, maybe 600-700 kilometers. He'll definitely come on the R90.
For a small ride?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
So
First servicing is also done, bro. I can
Why
ride.
not?
just
the
my
long
first
ride?
service done.
Yeah.
Congrats, bro. 1000 kilometers. అది కూడా క్లాసిక్ పెట్టుకొని చేసావు. నేను ఏడీవీ పెట్టుకొని చేయలేకపోయా. అది కూడా లాక్డౌన్ లో ఇంటి చుట్టూ తిప్పాడంట. అందుకే ఒకటే సైడ్ అరుగుంటుంది టైర్.
అరే వీరింటి
You might have seen my Ladakh series, you might have seen my China series, you might have seen my Chikmagalur series thinking this is one of the most adventurous rides ever. That was maybe adventurous ride, but today was the most adventurous day for me ever. That too being in my hometown Hyderabad, like literally 10-15 kilometers away. I was stranded, dude. I did not get the Tiger back. I did not sell it. Wait, I had to leave it at the service center. I'll tell you later why. There was some work on it. Next vlog you'll know that. But time was around 12:45. I thought 2 o'clock we have to be home. 2 o'clock say we have the lockdown, so I thought 12:45 chalo, by max 1:30, 1:45 chalo, 2 tak I'll reach home. That didn't happen because when I booked the cab from there, and then obviously you know, right, Ola or Uber, anyone, they'll call you and ask where to drop you. The moment you tell the drop and they don't like it, they'll cancel the ride. That's what happened. I understand because it's a curfew time and all that. They canceled like 3 or 4 rides. I literally had to walk on the Bandaraj road and then asking for lift with autos and all that. I found, trust me, today I took a crazy 8 lifts. 8. Never in my entire life, all put together, I've never taken so many lifts. 5 autos, literally like 200 meters. I came like that till Amirpet. Amirpet is like 10 kilometers from my house. And look at this sweat. Sorry, because I've been walking in this crazy hot sun. I mean, there was an easier choice. I could just call my dad and tell him to come. He would do that, but I thought, let's figure out today. Why to depend on others? Let's see if we are stranded like this somewhere, sometime in my life. How am I gonna solve it? It was a difficult solution, but definitely adventurous. Thanks to all the auto guys, none of them took money. They have huge hearts, dude. Finally, I found in Begumpet, I found one guy who was coming literally till our house, almost till our house, Malkajgiri. So I think somewhere around 1.5 kilometers from my house, I got dropped there. Next, finally, the last 1.5 kilometers, I literally found a police guy. I sat with him, I told him the whole story. He told me, don't worry, I'm from department. I'll drop you where you want. He dropped me till my house almost. And here we are, all sweaty, feeling a small level of achievement. Children, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Yes, you guys will enjoy this vlog. I didn't enjoy today. No, I actually enjoyed the process. It is very different. Instead of sitting in this room all day long, today was like this pura lockdown ka whatever I wanted to go out and do, pura ek din mein khatam. So then I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.